So biotechnology, what is biotechnology? It's a combination and a science of living organisms and biological processes creating cells and products. And although it applies to multiple different fields, in healthcare, there are a lot of intersections that we are going to see in future. The three main areas is synthetic biology, gene modulation, and neural engineering. So what's synthetic biology? That's like the editing of the DNA to create cells and processes that actually can modify the disease processes and how we respond to different agents. Genes, we know gene editing is possible now, and we'll touch a little bit about that in my lecture. But what's also new and novel is neural engineering, which is what deals with brain-computer interface.